Welcome all of you for the today's lecture in physics. We are considering JEE 2016 problem, and especially we are talking about problem number 18, in which they has asked us the order of electromagnetic wave according to the increasing energy per quanta. For that purpose, we must know the electromagnetic spectrum, in which I tried to show this electromagnetic spectrum in which wavelength is increasing from left to the right, while the frequency nu is increasing from right to the left. You know very well that the visible portion in that electromagnetic spectrum is just near about at the middle portion, starting from the violet region somewhere here, with the wavelength 4000 angstrom unit. Then after, there are different color in visible light. If it is violet, we can say this is the blue one. It seems to be are same. Then after, the last color or in between them, there is yellow color. These are the electromagnetic wave with the help of which we can see each other, we can observe each other. And lastly, there is a red color. Okay, and the red color with the light of wavelength 8000 angstrom unit and so on. And beyond this electromagnetic visible region in electromagnetic wave, the next portion of the electromagnetic spectrum is violet, or you may say infrared. This is the infrared region, so called as IR region. Then after, with increasing wavelength, there is microwave. Next increasing wavelength portion in the electromagnetic spectrum, last these radio waves. This means that the wavelength increases in this fashion towards the right from the left. If you are discussing about the left portion of this visible light, then there is ultraviolet region, so called as UV region. Then after, the portion is X-ray, and the first part of this electromagnetic spectrum is gamma rays with minimum or least value of wavelength. Okay, but let me concentrate all of you in this portion, so called as visible region, with the help of which one can observe one another, we can see one another there. If the wavelength increases from left to the right, frequency increases from the right to the left. Its frequency approximately, the red light is near about 4 into 10 raised to 14 hertz, near about approximately, and that of violet light with a frequency 8 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. So this is how you can see that the frequency nu increases from right to the left on this portion, where the wavelength increases from the left to the right. Now let's concentrate on our problems. They has asked us what is the energy per quantum with increasing order. For your kind information, energy is given by E equal to h nu. The quanta whose frequency is quite large, its energy must be large. If we discuss about the red color, its frequency is less as compared to the violet color with greater frequency. Therefore, energy of this red color is less because this frequency is less. That of violet color is frequency more, therefore its energy is more. The options which are given to us is blue light. Blue light is somewhere here. This is blue light. Just I would like to show with the help of blue color. Okay, and then after, the color is yellow light. It is somewhere here. Yellow light means the yellow light with the least frequency, its frequency is less. Blue having more frequency. Then after, X-ray. X-ray is with greater frequency here. Again, frequency is more for this portion. And the last one is radio wave. Radio wave is very less frequency. Means what? The frequency of radio wave is very less, therefore energy also very less per quanta, because frequency related to energy. Then after, yellow color is there with more frequency than the radio wave, therefore its frequency little bit increases, energy also increases little bit than the radio wave. Then after, there is a blue light. with greater frequency increases in this order, in this way, therefore its frequency increases with more amount, energy is also increases with greater amount. And lastly, there is x-ray frequency is quite high because it is on the left hand side. Its frequency nu is very high, and therefore energy is also very high. So this is how you can say that radio wave is least energy per quanta. Radio wave energy is less, then after its energy increases because frequency of the blue color increases, then after you must have to consider yellow. Then after the next part is blue. In our option, its frequency increases, energy also increases. And in our option there is x-ray, therefore its again its frequency increases, energy also increases. So this is how frequency increases, energy also increases in this order. Therefore the option should be radio wave, yellow, blue and x-ray. Radio wave is given as D option, then yellow is given as B option, then the next one is x-ray is C, blue is given there as A, therefore your portion should be DBAC. And DBAC, this order is given in option number A. A is the right answer of that question.